Wow, this place looks amazing.
Stay close, Ethan.
Okay, Mom.
This table is good.
Yay! So many people. I'm so excited. Wow, so many foods.
What do you want?
Pizza! When will it come? I'm so hungry. Wow. This is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Slow down, Ethan.
Oh no!
It's okay. Let's clean it.
That was funny. I will eat slowly now.
Good boy.
Best food ever. I'm full. Mom, can I look around?
Stay close and don't go far.
Okay, Mom. Wow. Where is Mom? Where is Mom? Mom, where are you? Mom, where are you? Mom? I can't find... Mom, please! Where should I go? I'm scared. Oh. I feel alone now. I have to find my mom. I need help. Maybe they can help. Excuse me. I'm lost. I can't find my mom.
Don't worry, we will help you.
Thank you.
Attention, please. Looking for Ethan's mother.
I hope Mom hears it.
Ethan! Where are you, Ethan?
Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay. I'm here. Always stay close to me.
I will stay with you.
Let's go back to our table.
Okay, Mom. I feel better now.
I'm glad you're safe.
I won't go far again.
Good boy.
Ice cream! This is the best day.
I'm happy too.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Always stay close to your parents and never panic. Ethan learned an important lesson today.